3, 2, 1, and go. Well, everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience. Sorry about that. My nose is kind of itchy. Well, for first of all, today it's been okay, and for first of all, I finally started out making $90 I save up a lot of money to go vacuum cleaner hunting, and I'm still keeping up with the good work, and I'm still keeping up with the good deals and ideas, and more figure things out in my life. And also, I really loved what I'm doing, and I'm still making vacuum cleaner videos, still doing a lot of stuff. And I still cared about the vacuum cleaner community. I still do. And I still love collecting vacuums. I really do. And for first of all, I gotta say, and there's a lot to say, I have to say, okay? For first of all, and there's a lot of vacuum cleaners I need to get this weekend in the afternoon. I still need to look for a Black Bissell Microlock 7 stages upright vacuum, and the other vacuum, it might be a Eureka ESP upright vacuum in the blue color I used to own, and a blue Hoover Futura was made in 1999, and the other vacuum I really wanted to get was a Hoover Dimension Supreme with the dark green color. It was made in 1995. And I really wanted to get a purple Hoover Mrs. Doubtfire's upright vacuum. Was made in 1993. I was thinking about getting a Mrs. Doubtfire's vacuum, and also I was thinking about getting more machines in my collection, and I was thinking about getting a Sears shot vac very soon. I was thinking about getting a white one, and getting a Sears brand was made from the past. And for first of all, I was thinking about getting a 12 amp motor Sharp Twin Energy upright vacuum cleaner in a blue model. Still doing that. And also, there's a lot of things I have to do, and I literally wanted to go to go do stuff with my dad this weekend in the afternoons, and also I'm not getting up real early on Saturday mornings because I might get up at 8 or 9 to do this, and I might start my day on Saturday mornings. I would, and I might end up watching TV and maybe watch all my VHS tapes I'm watching here at home. And here in my bedroom, I collect a bunch of VCR tapes, and I love to eat in my room because I eat food in my room the most, but I can bring the dishes down to the kitchen. And also, there's going to be a lot of times when my room gets real messy. I will always vacuum it, and I will always keep my room real clean, and no matter what. For first of all, I was thinking about still cleaning my room up, and because the rest of the vacuums are right here, and I have two self-propelled vacuums over there, and I really wanted to have a bigger TV in my room, and I was thinking about having my own bigger flat screen TV for my bedroom, and still keep my VCR in my room, and I still needed mount the TV on the wall, and I can watch all my VCR tapes in here, and no matter what, and I can start playing video games, or maybe watch Netflix or Disney Plus in my room, and I would, yeah. And for first of all, I gotta say to you guys, make sure, I'm gonna be making more vlogs, and I was thinking about doing a vlog by myself, and I was thinking about doing one with Lucy Toe, where I go places, okay? And that would be a good idea to do that, okay? And first of all, I was thinking about making some really good videos here, and excuse me, everybody. Sorry about that. Yeah, my nose has been real itchy. It makes me sneeze a lot, and I'm sorry about that, okay? For first of all, and there's a lot of more stuff I'm going to be doing in the fall with Lucy Toe and I. I will be celebrating Halloween this year. I will be doing that. Also, what I'm going to be doing for Halloween is pass out candy. Might pass out a can of sodas and candy to do this, okay? I might pass out a can of Coca-Colas, and that's only it. And I'm gonna be mostly passing out candy to people this year, and I'm here to let you know. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a new video. I'll see you in the next video for Marshall Studios Forever. Alright, everybody? Bye! Well, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe, and click on the notification on the bell. Alright, and first of all, I'll see you in the next video tonight, okay? For more YouTube short respond backs, okay? Bye!